Hello dear fans. How to find Mars. Mars ranks fourth in terms of remoteness of the Sun and the seventh largest planets in the solar system. It got its name in honor of the ancient Roman god of war. Sometimes Mars is called the red planet. The reddish tint of the surface is given by the iron oxide contained in the soil. It is necessary. An amateur telescope or powerful binoculars. Instructions. Step 1. Opposition between Earth and Mars. When the Earth is exactly between the Sun and Mars, i.e. at a minimum distance of 55.75 million kilometers, this ratio of the planets is called opposition. In this case, Mars itself is in the direction opposite to the Sun. Such oppositions are repeated every 26 months at different points in the orbits of the Earth and Mars. These are the most favorable times for observing the red planet with amateur telescopes. Once every 15 to 17 years, great oppositions occur, while the distance to Mars is minimal, and the planet itself reaches its greatest angular size and brightness. The last great confrontation was on January 29, 2010. The next one will be July 27, 2018. Step 2. Observation conditions. If you have an amateur telescope, you should look for Mars in the sky during periods of opposition. Surface details are available for observation only during these periods, when the angular diameter of the planet reaches its maximum value. A large amateur telescope has access to many interesting details on the planet's surface, the seasonal evolution of the polar caps on Mars, and signs of Martian dust storms. In a small telescope, you can see dark spots on the surface of the planet. You can also see the polar caps, but only during great confrontations. Much depends on the experience of observations and on atmospheric conditions. So, the more the observing experience, the smaller the telescope can be for capturing Mars and details of its surface. Lack of experience is not always compensated by an expensive and powerful telescope. Step 3. Where to looking for. In the evening and in the morning, Mars is visible in red-orange light, and in the middle of the night in yellow. In 2011, Mars can be seen in the sky in the summer and until the end of November. Until August, the planet can be seen in the constellation Gemini, in the northern hemisphere of the sky. Since September, Mars has been visible in the constellation Cancer. It is located between the constellations Leo and Gemini. Thanks for watching.